Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back with another trade. Earlier I did the pound Aussie and I sold it as it was going down. I see that we're getting close to 11 o'clock. Anytime after 10, 11, 12, after the market does a big move, it's called the London close. And what I do is I switched over to pip trigger number 2. This one has the bands. Then I had a trigger right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're way below the goal line. 8. We're right at the trigger line. Close enough. That's 10 alarms. I only pulled the trigger about a minute ago. As you can see, I'm already profitable. It is expected to bounce around a little bit. As soon as I put in the trade, my automatic 20 pip stop is here. Default 100. I'm trying to get back and touch the goal line, which price will do that sometime today. It might be another hour from now, but eventually it'll hit. I have to go out and take care of a couple of errands. I'm just going to let it run. If I can get my stop to break even before I go out, I will do that. Or I may change my auto stop to auto trail. So leave the computer running, and as it's moving up, it'll automatically keep adjusting my stop. The market has hit the ADR from the high to the low here, which is 190 pips. Today went 317, as you can see in the top left corner here. So I'm expecting this sometime today to give 30 to 50 pips back. When it moves that much, it should give 30 to 50 pips back. Probably I'm going to change my auto stop to let's see, the auto expert advisor to auto or trailing stop, this one here. So I'll put this on. Ask me if I want to switch it. You just say yes. Trailing stop default is 15. I think I'll change that to say 20. You just press OK. Don't need this running anymore. So now we have the trailing stop in with the smiley face. So once it moves 20 pips, so let's say 20 pips, which is about here, it'll move my stop to break even plus 1 pip, just a little bit above it. This trailing stop will manage it. If you have to go away from the computer or go out, just switch it to the trailing stop. You just click there. You can adjust whatever you want. The default is 15. I either leave it at 15 or I go 20, and the trailing step is once it hits that 20, every 2 pips it goes up, it'll keep readjusting the stop. So it'll manage the trade with a 20 pip space. So it'll keep going up, up, up. It'll keep every 2 pips, it'll keep locking in more pips profitable, more pips profitable. It's a neat little EA, and I use it only when I have to step away from the computer. I want to be locking in profits. So when I come back, it'll either hit my 20 pip stop, at which point I'll get into the trade again because I'm still expecting the London close pullback, and the trailing stop will manage the trade for me. So I'll get back. It's going to be in a couple hours from now as I'm going out. So either Either, like I said, hit my stop or it'll manage it. This EA will manage it. But you have to leave the computer on, running, platform running, and you have to obviously have your internet connection working properly. Anyhow, worst case scenario is I'll lose 20 pips. So anyhow, I'll report back in a couple hours. Hi, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back. I stepped out for 3 hours. It is now 1:30 in the afternoon. I let my trailing stop, this trailing stop, manage it with a trailing stop of 20 pips. I took the trade right here where that little cursor is right there. It went against me approximately 17 pips, never hit my stop, my 20 pips. And once it got 20 pips, which was right here, right in here, the trailing stop EA kicked in. It did go up to 43 or 44 pips. And then when it came back here, it kicked me out with a, I do believe, 22 pips. And then it did another pullback, and then it continued to go up. So like I said, if you have to walk away from the computer, put on your trailing stop, leave your computer running, and it'll manage it for you. So on my 6 lots, I sold it over here earlier. And on my previous video, I sold it. And on this video, I bought it. London close. I knew it was going to go back up and hit the gold line, which was right here. Would have been a perfect exit if I was in front of the computer. Right there is 41 pips, as opposed to getting 22 or 23. So anyhow, it hit my my stop positive of 22 pips. I ended up with $1,020 on top of what I made this morning. So anyhow, it's been a great Friday. All the pound pairs tanked, and right around 10 or 11 o'clock, I was expecting for the London close for it to do a pullback, which is exactly what it did. So all these indicators, they're all my custom indicators, even though you might recognize some, but these have been modified for my pip trigger. So you won't find any of these indicators on the web. And if you like the pip trigger, just get back to me, and I can show you some more trades and how the pip trigger works, and I can give you some advanced tips and tricks. My contact information is right below this video. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So anyhow, it's been another great trading week, especially on this day, Friday. Put in 2 trades and they were both successful. Anyhow, I want to wish you good luck. And until the next video, good luck trading, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.